Sure, many of you have had the same problem. I have a 2011 Toyota Highlander and the driver's side visor won't stay up. Keeps coming down and it's quite annoying. There was a extended warranty on this, but unfortunately this issue for me didn't happen until after the extended warranty. I tried to do some bush fix on it with Velcro to the headliner, but that didn't work. So I was able to find, the dealership wanted over $400 to replace this. The part alone from the dealership was over $300, so I did some searching on eBay, found a something that looks like it's the same, and let's have a look and see if they are the same or not. So let's unbox the eBay product. Okay, let's have a look at this. So I got this part off of eBay for under $100 US, so significantly less than what the dealership wanted. The texture seems right, and the color seems right. So let's take the other one off, and we'll do a side-by-side comparison. Okay, so we'll just pull this cover off. I put a screwdriver in the little slit there just to sort of help get it started. But then once it's started, it comes off pretty easy. Just like that. So that slit is what you just start there, pop it open, and then it pulls off over here. And this visor comes off. It's just a couple of Phillips screws there. Okay, I've undone the Phillips screws, and then it just pops out there. For the light, when you open the mirror, that light comes on, so that's what plugs in here. Okay, so here's the side-by-side. The color seems pretty close. You can tell the labels are different, but that's not a big deal. Let's flip it over here. Looks pretty close. Again, the labels are different, but everything else seems pretty similar. Okay, here are the two connectors side by side. My concern is that there's, on the left one is the original, and the right one is what I purchased on eBay. You can see there's two metal contacts here on the original that are not on the eBay version. I'm wondering, I see there is a wire coming out of here. I wonder if there's a connection, electrical connection made through those terminals there, but I'll have a look inside the vehicle. Okay, so I have the other one installed, and good news, the vanity light does work. So I couldn't see how the connection was made. Like I say, maybe it was through those two pillars that were standing up, not the metal that was shown on the other one. But so the light does work. Took me all of 5 minutes of work to get this thing installed. And the good thing is, no more drooping visor. So quick fix. This eBay part does seem worth it, unless instead of spending $300+ on a, that's in Canadian dollars, on a part from the dealership, less than $100 US on eBay. Hope this was helpful to someone, and thanks for watching. Bye.